Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay photos and videos on top of your videos in Capcut PC. So I have this news reporter here, and I just want to place a video here of him explaining what he's talking about. For instance, he's talking about travel, and we're just going to select this plain video, and we're just going to adjust it, and we're going to place it on top. Let me just mask this first and just crop it so it's not super long like that. And as you can see, the video will be there. Okay, that's not really in the middle, so I'm just going to adjust it a little bit better. And you can also add in an in animation if you'd like to. Maybe the zoom out one, or a fade in, or a zoom. I'm just doing the zoom out one. You can adjust the duration here as well. You can also do these with photos. And if you want him to be over that video, let's just copy and paste that. Go to remove background and select auto removal on that one, so it's not bothering him, I guess. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.